Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and damn it feels good to be back again guys. My apologies for not being able to put videos for 20 days. A lot of things were happening in my life. I had my final exam so I had to finish that. Then my DSLR was having some problems so I also had to get that fixed, and I also had a makeover so I had a haircut and everything. So it just been a while. I had a chance to make videos and I've been dying to make videos and put more tutorials on this channel, and finally all the other work has been done and I am absolutely free to make regular videos again. So welcome back to the channel guys, and let's get started with another tutorial. So today I have a After Effects tutorial for you guys. I'm going to teach you how you can make 2D animations in After Effects, and this topic I'm going to break down in two particular videos. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can make the shapes, how you can create the shapes, give the color that you want or give the outlines that you want, and in my next video I'm going to show you how you will animate them. So let's get started with this video. So the first thing that you need to do is set up a composition so that we can start making these shapes in our timeline right now. So all you have to do is create a composition and be ready to make these shapes. So to create these 2D animations, all you have to do is click on this particular icon. You have to click and hold, and you will see a drop down menu that is going to allow you to create different shapes from these particular options here. So you will see 5 options on this particular list. The first one is the rectangle tool. When you take the rectangle tool and draw on your composition with it, you will be able to create a rectangular shape. That's easy. If you select the next one, that is the rounded rectangle tool, you will be able to create rectangle shapes only, but with the edges being slightly curved, slightly little circular. Now the next tool is the ellipse tool. When you click on this ellipse tool, you'll be able to draw a particular ellipse on your particular composition here. And if you press and hold shift while you make this particular ellipse, you will notice you'll be able to make a perfect circle. So that is a very handy tip guys. The next one is the polygon tool. When you click on this polygon tool and draw on your composition, you'll be able to create polygonal shapes. Now you can manipulate the sides that your polygon needs to have, and to do that all you have to do is click on this drop down menu here, go to polygon path 1 and click on points. And when you change the points, let's say I'm going to put 3 here, you're going to see a triangle is going to be formed because I have put 3 sides to it. Similarly, if you put 8 sides to it, if you put 8 points to it, you're going to be able to create an octagon. So that is how this particular polygon tool works. Now for the last one, it's the star tool. So if you click on the star tool and draw on your composition, you'll be able to create stars and shapes like that. So these are the different tools that is going to allow you to create 2D animations, and these are different ways you are going to be creating different shapes with these particular tools here. Now I'm going to show you another technique that you can use to manipulate your shapes a little further. For example, let's say you want to add a different color. By default these are all white right now, right? So all you have to do is click on this fill right here, and from this particular icon you can change the color of your particular shape and give it any particular color that you want. Now let's say you do not want the entire solid figure, you just want probably the outline. So all you have to do is click on fill, click on this particular icon. It's going to disable the solidity of your particular layer, and then you have to go and click on stroke, click on the solid, and it's going to allow a stroke line to be formed around your particular shape. You can also manipulate the thickness of your particular stroke. Just click on this particular option right here and you can select any particular number, and higher the number is, the thicker is your particular outline of your particular shape. So this is it for this video guys. I hope you understood how you can create these 2D shapes on your After Effects composition very easily. In my next video I'm going to show you how you can animate these shapes and give the desired motion or the desired effect that you want, and I'm going to teach you that very easily in my next episode guys. So that being said, this is it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.